Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide we will provide you with instructions to get rid of the browser hijacker called Active Search Bar. In fact, Active Search Bar is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension claim that by installing it you'll be able to considerably improve your browsing experience and get more relevant search results. The site that is related to this extension is activesearchbar.me. But when you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are also delivered by activesearchbar.me, which means that it has hijacked your browser settings. So Active Search Bar extension functions as the typical browser hijacker that alters your browser settings in order to change the default search engine. Certain browser extensions like that may also collect some browsing-related data. Some of the extensions may also display a lot of advertisements on top of the search results, sponsored links, and other sponsored content. So we strongly advise that you get rid of this active search bar from your Google Chrome. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find any extensions here which are not familiar to you, get rid of them. I also recommend researching your system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could be concealed on your computer. So go to the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.